Okay guys, previously we have discussed the leaf shaft, penetrations and risers, minimum acceptable standards. Now we will discuss the edge protection. So edge protections is protection of the workers on the edge. As you can see in the photo, so every edge or every opening should have edge protections. Okay, on the edge of the buildings, edge of the openings. Okay, so let's discuss what is edge protections. So specifications for edge protections: top rails, the coupler, as you can see here, the sketch coupler secured the pipe. So there are three types of couplers and so many more, but I have discussed the usable couplers in the sides: the fixed coupler or 90 degrees coupler, the joint coupler for the pipes, and swivel clamps or rotational couplers. Okay, the top rail is here on the edge protections. Top rail heights is should be 0.91 meter from the floor levels to 1.15 meters maximum. Okay, or we can also put another pipes horizontally on the top of the top rail, but minimum is this design: the top rail, mid rails, and the two boards. Mid rails 0.45 meters from the floor and 0.60 meter to 0.60 meters. The two boards is here on the left sketch, is made of timbers or steel plates or GI, but it should be 0.15 meter height. That is the minimum. Installing of the edge protection should be 0.5 meter setback from the leading edge of the buildings. So, and 2.44 or 8 feet maximum post spacing. So these two posts, the maximum spacing should be 2.44 meter. So if you make it 2 meters, is more better, but the maximum spacing is 2.44 meter. So 6.35 millimeter or 1/4 inch maximum gap between the floor and the two boards. No gaps between two boards. So between the floor and the two boards, the maximum gap is 6.35 or 1/4 inch. So this to prevent any, because sometimes we cannot prevent any gap, but this is the maximum. So this is to prevent any falling objects to fall between that opening. So the guardrail systems are capable of withstanding without failure a force of at least 200 pounds, 800 Newton or 91 kilogram force applied in a downward or outward directions within 2 inches or 5 centimeters from the top edge at any point along the top rail. This is coming from the OSH MAS. So if we have edge protection and you apply load, horizontal load, at least it can sustain without failure this horizontal load from the topmost of or any point of the edge protections. This is the requirements from OSHA. Must be extend around any uncovered opening or leading edge. So should be extended. Must be substantial, suitable, and sufficient. So we are always hearing the substantial, suitable, and sufficient. That means this is a term in the legal requirements that all installed edge protection should comply and with a minimum design suitable and sufficient. Must not be made of surplus steel or timber that is not fit for the purpose. Okay, so it's self-explanatory. Must be secured and fixed in the position. Must be continuous construction. Use coupler to connect the pipes and not a tie wire or ropes. Guys, why I'm reading all of this, because this is standard, so we need to discuss, we need to hear what is the minimum acceptable standards. If you install more better than this, is more safe, and then this is more good. But as minimum, we need to do this. Must be free from sharp edges. So all edge protection must be free from sharp edges, so that if someone contact on it, they will not get hurt or injured. Must have distinctive guiding colors, example, red and white strips. Must have permit system for removal. So when we are removing the edge protection, should be under by the permit system, and unauthorized removal will be treated as safety violations. Must have mandatory signage and must risk assess stairways. So in the stairways, we need to assess what is the risk, and so that we can install the appropriate edge protection.